2 million people were added to the list of eligibility for the coronavirus vaccine this week here in Washington, but today I found several pharmacies that were still requiring surveys that did not meet the current state guidelines. When you use Washington's vaccine locator tool, it takes you to the individual websites to book. But as of this morning, several pharmacies linked in the state database, CVS, Albertsons, Safeway, and Rite-Aid, had not updated their eligibility requirements to meet the new state standard, which means someone could reach their website and not be able to truthfully get an appointment they are entitled to book. An official with the Department of Health told me that this is problematic. Advocate John Rodriguez, who is working to get BIPOC people access to the vaccine, echoed that.
These pharmacies or these organizations are not basically doing anything to break those barriers, but adding more barriers to the ones that we already face as a community.
CVS still lists these options as of this afternoon, now almost 2 days after the state changed the rules. What is missing? Those with 2 comorbidities and those 60 plus. Rite-Aid doesn't let you list 2 comorbidities in the scheduler, and Albertsons Safeway doesn't require a survey, but did have the outdated guidelines below their scheduler tool until I contacted them and they updated the page. How does it make you feel when you think about somebody that's been searching for an appointment and might click through to one of these tools thinking they're eligible and then question whether they actually are?
Yeah, well, that makes me feel, honestly, personally sad to face this reality.
CVS called me back and contends they have 72 hours under federal guidelines to update their site. The state says they do have enforcement tools, but would wait another day or so before they would consider reaching out. In Seattle, Michael Crow, King 5 News.
The State Department of Health added to its statement saying the DOH expectation is that all of our provider and pharmacy partners have updated information in their online portals as soon as possible as people from these newly eligible categories start to make appointments.